What's up, guys? It's Ryan with the MXG channel again, and I want to show you guys something that's been making my life a little bit easier when it comes to GoPros and filming motos and just filming anything really. I don't do a whole lot of videos on here anymore about film and equipment and stuff anymore, but I still do get it's just a smaller niche, it's a smaller audience, but I still do get a lot of comments of people who have scoured the internet and found how I've done certain GoPro mounts or how I've set up my GoPro on my helmet or settings and stuff like that. So for those people, you might find this video helpful. I've got to show you this new gadget I picked up. Check it out. So this is made by ZG Cine, and you can find these things on Amazon, sold by 2 or 3 different companies. I'll put the links down below, but basically this thing has been my savior. I've always said at the track, if I just had a battery box that I could charge my GoPro batteries in, life would be so much easier. So when I had the Hero 5, 6, 7, and 8, obviously the batteries were a little smaller than these. I could only get about 45 minutes at best, so I'd have to change them like every 20 or 30 minutes to be safe. So basically I'd have a little charge box like this, except it wasn't a battery, and I'd have it plugged into my truck and charging all day, and I'd just go back and forth to my truck for 5, 6, 7 Hero 8 batteries. I mean, I would bring a handful, like 10 batteries to the track with me. Then came the GoPro 9, which is a lot bigger, a lot longer lasting battery. I can get an hour and a half out of these pretty safely. So I just bring a couple, 2, 3 to the track with me, or out riding or whatever. But I still have to leave the charge box plugged into my truck to charge it. And this is finally saved that. A company reached out to me to ask if I want to try one of these out, and I've ended up trying 2 of them out, and they're pretty sweet. It says the model number is the PSG10, but basically this is a GoPro Hero 9 and 10 charge box that's a battery itself. So you charge this thing with a USB Type-C, which is awesome because we're all done with micro USBs, right? And right here on the front, on the bottom, you can see the charge status of the box. This one says it's got 2 bars lit up on 50, so it's 50%. And then once you put a battery in here, if it needs charged, it will light up right there above it and tell you that it's charging. When that light goes off, you know it's done. So guys, I can't tell you, like, if you charge this box full, you can charge 3 batteries in here, I don't know, like 5, 6, 7 times, something like that. Like basically I can take a GoPro, the 1 battery that's in it, 3 more batteries in this box, and I could probably go shoot for a week or longer, no joke, without needing any electrical hookup. This thing is awesome. And then it's like, to make the whole deal even sweeter, they put these little micro SD card holders in the lid right here. So I'll pull in, if I fill up an SD, I use 128 gig SDs, so if I do fill up one, it's usually because I forgot to empty it. I can pop it right here. I've never had one fall out. Batteries, it's all with me. And even to sweeten the deal even more, this is also a battery out bank. So it's got a regular USB on here that will output power right here, a USB-A that will output power. So maybe you've got an older action camera that you need to charge as well, that's micro USB, or you've got something with a proprietary charger, or you just need to charge your cell phone so that you can transfer files to your cell and take a look at them or something like that after you use your GoPro. Well, you can do it right here. I haven't used that function much, but it's nice to know I have it. So there's also little rubber like feet on the bottom to keep the thing from sliding. So it's pretty cool. I've tried, it's the same brand, but it's 2 different companies selling these on Amazon, and I've tried both of them, and they both worked great. So this has saved my butt. I don't even take cords with me to the track or on weekend trips or anything anymore. I just grab that. So yeah, if any of you guys need some help with batteries, I will put a link to this and the batteries I use down below. If you have any more GoPro questions, just drop them in the comments. I'll try to keep an eye on that. And for the small audience of you guys out there that are interested in GoPros and filming moto or action sports, yeah, just get a convo going, and if you need anything, I'll try to help you. So thanks so much. If you appreciate little videos like this, definitely let today be the day I earn your subscription. Hit the red button. If you really want to join my team and make my lifelong dream that much closer, hit that blue join button, guys. I'll see you in the next video.